Meaning of drop waist.
Drop waist.
Drop waist.
Drop waist.
Drop waist. Drop waist is a style of clothing where the waistline is lowered, typically below the natural waistline, creating a more relaxed fit and elongating the torso. This style was popular in the 1920s and has since made occasional comebacks in fashion. The result is a dress or top that fits looser around the hips and legs, with a more pronounced shape in the upper body. It can be a flattering look for those with longer torsos or who want to create the illusion of a longer silhouette.